Hey Cam Fam! Good morning! Welcome back to my channel. This is my Get Ready With Me weekday versus weekend. Morning, dear plants. Oh no, there's poop there. Poop by Henyao. Oh no, by Pixie. Hi! Good morning! Why did you poop on the floor? There's poop and pee here from Pixie.
Also here.
There's too much poop in this house.
Pixie poops too much.
Pixie. Pixie, you poop too much. So today is a Tuesday and it is a weekday. I'm sure you all know. And I sort of had a slow start because I was stuck doing a lot of work on my emails and my computer and editing photos and stuff. So now I ended up with very little time to do my makeup. I actually have 2 meetings lined up for today, which is why it's so important for me to have like a really simple and quick skincare routine, especially on my busy days because I really don't have much time. I've been trying to cut down my skincare routine so much because I just can't deal. When you're getting older, you just feel like you're always chasing after time. So you just want to have like the most effective products in the quickest way possible. Now I'm currently using the Olay Power Duo. You guys know that I've been an Olay girl. So I just want to be completely transparent. This video is brought to us by Olay. I've been using Olay products since I was in my early 20s. Now I'm 31 and I'm still using them. And you've seen me use these products during my bachelorette and my weddings. I did the 28-day challenge. So I'm still using it now. So I'm currently using the Olay White Radiance Essence. I really love this because I feel like it's so techy. Like this, and then you twist, and then ta-da! And this is the dropper that you use. Just put a little bit. I love this because this really helps lighten my dark spots, especially because I had like a really bad skin problem back in July. You can still see some marks actually around my chin area. This one really evens out your skin tone. I feel like it brightens my complexion as well. And then I follow it up real quick with the Olay Regenerist Micro Sculpting Cream. So this one naman is to keep my aging properties at bay. To keep the wrinkles away, to make my skin smoother and plumper. They feel so light on the face, which is what I love because I hate anything heavy. And then I go ahead and put on my sunscreen. Then I go ahead and put on my foundation. I usually try my best not to put on foundation. I just conceal dark spots. But whenever I'm in a hurry, I just use a foundation because it's just so much faster to get that coverage. In case you're wondering, I'm using the Estee Lauder Double Wear Stay in Place makeup. Parang feeling ko I'm like in a fast forward video. I'm in such a hurry, I don't want to be late for my meetings. So usually, I don't put on any eyeshadow when it's like a normal weekend. But on a weekday, I put more effort into my makeup. Especially also if I have to shoot like an OTD, which I have to do also today. So kailangan medyo mas may kulay yung face ko or else it doesn't register well in the camera. And then I put a little bit powder to set. I haven't really been having dark under eyes. I usually skip the concealer and go straight to my eyebrows. I'm always in a hurry whenever it's a weekday. I always try to like manage my time just so I have enough time to prepare and I don't have to be in a rush. For some reason, no matter how early I start the day, I always end up being in such a hurry. So I really try to keep things super streamlined and like the fewest possible steps for me to get ready. And grabe dati yung skincare ko as a bagets. Felt like I had all the time in the world. Pero syempre, even if you're in a hurry, you can't naman just skip your skincare because we're all aging and aging is inevitable. And you don't want to lose your glow. That's why you still need your skincare there. And then a quick eyebrow mascara. So I just got a new makeup drawer. So let's get a blush. This is the Clinique Cheek Pop in Blush. I love these mga Patwitums blush because I feel like they make me look younger and fresher, youthful. And then whenever Yanni sees me do this, he always asks me if my nose gets itchy because he feels like his nose gets itchy, gets really affected by this. Because my hair is now dark, I feel like a lot of like mga reddish brown tones really look good on me. So I'm gonna use this one from 3CE for my base. It's called Dainty Tasty. Parang bad idea na nagbablog ako habang nagmamadali. Bumabagal ako eh. I only have a few minutes left. Actually, actually for base. It's so much quicker if I just use my fingers. Blend, blend, blend. And then let's use the Shiseido Jizo Red eyeshadow palette. So we're gonna use the red color here. Very subtle lang. Subtle lang tapos smoky. When you're in a hurry, parang everything just doesn't seem to work. Okay, this is one of those days. Yeah, seems good. Seems legit. And then we're gonna use this one. Just blend it out. And then we'll use this Tom Ford eyeliner. This is in chocolate brown. I like this because it's super creamy and it's so easy to just apply. And then let's put the same color of the base. I like this because if your eyeliner starts to smudge, it's not so obvious because you still have eyeshadow there. I think this is also the reason why I prefer brown eyeliner as opposed to black, because it doesn't make you look like you have raccoon eyes. So then we use the same reddish color. And then I'm gonna start to contour. This is the Kat Von D Shade and Light palette. I feel like I am acidic, which is why when I first put on like the foundation and stuff, it seems really light at first, and then after some time, it adapts to my actual skin color. The Jingle Bell Noise is from Pixie, stretching from her nap. Ooh, come on, Camille. And then for my lips, we're now gonna use this Tom Ford lipstick in Casablanca. Okay, I feel like this is good. Let's just add a little bit more color on my eyes. And then let's go for my favorite part, highlight. Using my super duper gamit na gamit Becca highlight in Champagne Top. My nose, under my eyebrows, a little bit there, a little bit everywhere. I think I want to lighten my lipstick a bit, so I'm gonna add Milkshake from Sunny's Face. Perfect! And we're ready! Just gonna put a setting spray from Urban Decay. Hey, that's nice. I usually bring my makeup kit in the car, just so if I have like last minute touches. And also, I have to keep everything. I feel like I really have some like slight OCD, as in like real OCD. I just can't leave stuff like this and just return and then fix them. Nope, my brain doesn't want us to do it right away. So we're all fresh and ready to go. So now I'm just gonna fix my hair real quick. Actually, no, let's go look for clothes first. Woohoo! Okay, what to bring? I wanted to wear this top, maybe with pants. I'm gonna wear this top from NBD, from Revolve, with this new leather pants from H&M Studios new collection. Change real quick. I'm all dressed up. Now I just have to fix my hair, put on accessories, change my bag. Hirap mga babae. I don't usually wash my hair every day. I shower every day. I believe that it's better for your hair if it's not shampooed every day. So that's why I have a lot of like dry shampoos, texturing spray. So the first one that you saw me use is from IKG, and this one naman is from Bumble and Bumble. So it just refreshes your scalp and your hair so it doesn't look flat and oily. A little bit of texturizing spray from Olay base. Should I tie my hair? Tie my hair, put it down. Tie my hair so that it's quick and easy. Yeah, okay, we're all done. Okay, look at that skin glow. Now which bag to use? I guess we can use this one. Okay, now earrings, necklace, shoes. Let's do this. I feel like I can wear this one from PD Paula and then keep the chest area clear. Let's look for shoes. Black shoes. Something really, really short. Maybe this. Might be too high for my pants. Walang pakisama tong dalawang to sa vlog. Oh. Hello. Ready to race? Okay, let's try this one if it's good. Yeah, I think we'll actually go with these boots because there's a slit here and I don't want my ankles showing and they're low enough. Okay, we're ready. Let's go. Finally in the car on the way to my meetings. So this is my final look. Skin glowing. See you on a weekend. Good morning. It's the weekend. It's not so sunny today. It's kind of gloomy actually, so it's a little bit dark. Doesn't look like it's morning. I also just came out of the shower. My hair looks like a mess. Now time to prepare. Okay, so since today's a weekend and this weekend is really super duper chill, I am just gonna do like a really light makeup. Actually, not so much makeup, more of like putting color on myself. Also, I just noticed that I still have some eyeliner on my face. Grabe, I've already cleansed my eyes a million times last night, but I think it's from the shoot kasi they used like really thick makeup. But anyway, I digress. So today's a weekend and I don't have much on my schedule today. I just have like a quick checkup with the doctor and then I have just I don't know. I actually don't know what I have today, but I just know that I have a doctor's appointment. So it's not really a busy day, so it doesn't make sense to put on any makeup. There's no one to impress. Yanni is already impressed by my natural beauty. What? So we're gonna start off again with my Olay White Radiance Essence. This is honestly the cutest dropper ever. So I put just a little bit. I don't think I showed that to you guys the last time because I was in such a hurry. Sometimes I also do this, just rub it in my palm. Make sure it's all absorbed there. Don't forget the neck. I actually just got this question on my Instagram the other day. I can't remember who sent it to me. I can't find a DM, but someone was asking me, doesn't it affect your skin if you're using anti-aging products that's meant for people who are in their 40s and you're just in your 20s? And I feel like it really shouldn't affect your skin because you're actually doing preventive measures unless you're using something really, really heavy. And then it might cause some problems. But the Olay Power Duo is like super duper light and it's really meant for people to use even if they don't have wrinkles yet or you don't see the aging problems yet. It's nice to be prepared when the time comes and when the signs of aging starts appearing. I think it's so much harder to fix problems when the problem is already there. It's so much harder to reverse the effects than to prevent. So for me, even if you feel like you're still in your mid-20s, go for it. I mean, once you reach your 20s, your skin becomes really, really, really different compared to like when you were in your teens. Nawawala ang youth. So anyways, my skin right now is really nowhere near perfect. I mean, I just told you guys na I just came from like a really serious breakout. So I still have some dry spots, some dark spots. That's why it's important for me to include like a moisturizer and an essence in my routine now that I'm healing and I no longer have the breakouts. But grabe talaga that time. I will talk more about it on a separate vlog because I feel like that needs to be a separate vlog. Anyway, we have more time today, so we're not in a hurry. But ironically, we're also not doing much on my face today because it's a weekend and I just don't want to put so much. So we just concealed my under eye because I need to cover my eyeliner smudges and I'm just too lazy to remove them. Again, for the 100 millionth time. I already have my brows done since it's microbladed, but ever since coloring my hair darker, I also kind of like having a darker set of brows. I'm using the same brow gel. It's the Brow Pomade by Anastasia and it's in dark brown. I wasn't able to use this before coloring my hair darker because it was too dark on me. Now it's perfect. I wonder if I can pull off black eyebrows, like super duper dark. We'll see. Grabe talaga the weather today. It feels like it's already mid-afternoon. Don't you just feel like it's been raining the entire month? I forgot. You know what's a really good beauty tip that I really, really love to do? For all my serums, my moisturizers, and my essences, like these two, I like to put them in my ref, actually. Because it's so nice when they're cold and then you put it on your freshly cleaned face. It just feels like it awakens your skin. I'm sure it doesn't affect the effectivity of the products, but I just feel like it adds to the glow. The glow of my Olay products. Even though we're going light and no makeup today, I still have to contour because I am addicted to that nose line. Dami kasing nakaapi sa nose ko. Then I'll use my favorite cheek tint. Where are you? Oh, there. From Glossier. Ta-da! I keep forgetting I am supposed to show you guys the product, but yeah. I love it because ang lakas maka-fresh. But I don't think this shade is for everyone. I think it suits more like the fair-skinned girls because it's like a really light pink shade. So on foundation-free days, this works the best. I mean, it still works when you use a foundation, but I feel like it doesn't spread as well when you're using like a matte foundation. The kunwaring kinilig lang look. And then what do we do for the lips? I already put lip balm on it. I think we should use this one. My fave multi-pot from 3CE. You guys have been seeing me use this a lot. we're good. Oh wait, let's highlight also a little bit. I'm gonna use this one from Benefit. It's their WhatsApp. So easy to put on makeup when it's a weekend and I have nothing to do. Especially because my eyebrows are already there. My lashes are also already there thanks to New Lounge. We're okay, we're done. No need to put anything on my eyes, let it rest. So much gunk yesterday. So now I'm gonna dry my hair. So whenever I have like freshly washed hair, I always put on this serum from Kerastase. You guys have seen me IG story this. Depends on what serum I have actually. I'm not really particular. As long as it's for the scalp, and I just put maybe 2 rounds of this just on my scalp. Signs of aging and stress showing. What are your pampakapal hair tips? You guys should also share with me. Dapat two-way tong relationship na to. Hindi lang ako yung nag-share. And then I use this one also from Kerastase. You guys have seen this also on my story. I put just a little bit on my hair just to protect it from the hairstyling tools. Let's put on this hair oil, my Bumble and Bumble Invisible Hair Oil. Maybe 1-2 drops, maybe 3. Just on the tips, on the end, so it looks really nourished. Time to go dry. If you've seen my previous hair vlogs, I always say to use white tooth combs whenever you're styling wet hair so that you don't damage your hair. Close ko lang. Seeing all my dark secrets. Still a little wet though. When it's more dry, I use na this round barrel comb. I'm gonna air dry it. But I'll put muna this one from Bedhead. It's called Kaya mo to vlog gown. It's called After Party. Para rin sa ends, but it looks super smooth and soft. Should we do a middle part or a side part? Yoni always likes the side part though. Okay, side part na now. Let us try to please the hubs. He's also very happy I've got long hair now. It's gonna last. Time to look for what to wear. But first, let's wear our wedding ring before the hubs says that I am rolling like a single woman. Whenever I am lazy to dress up, which means mostly on the weekends, I like to wear my long dresses. You can wear this one. It's a black dress. So cute though. Next time I'm gonna shoot it. Super cute. So yeah, let's wear this one. Just admiring that glow carefully. I don't have perfect skin, I know, but I'm on the way to perfect skin. Really. Hopefully sooner than I think. Look at that glow! Foundation free. Thanks to Olay. Anyway, moving on. On to the accessories. Oh no, it's a super cute dress. It's an oh no because I have nowhere to go. Doctor's appointment lang, but it's so cute. Just gonna wear siguro Birkenstocks so I don't look like I'm going to a party. Like a pair of mandals, and then I'll just wear really simple earrings as well. Wait, let's see. I have new earrings from Jacatel, so maybe we could use those. They sent me these. Simple daw. Diamante pala. Well, I want to feel like a madam, so I'm gonna wear it. I'm gonna wear it. And let's put a necklace, which is in my other room. Hirap ng life. Okay, there. Simple. Understated. Did not think about it. Just kidding. So this is now my weekend look. Habang nagdadama ako, Yon is shouting downstairs. All done, all glowing, thanks to Olay. Doesn't mean that I have perfect skin. I mean, you'd still see some marks somewhere there. Huwag natin close up. Hope you guys enjoyed this weekday versus weekend edition. There's a huge difference naman. There's more effort put into the weekday because I'm actually seeing people. And I have to present myself real properly with like brand image and all that. And on weekend, I just want to be my full-on tita self with diamonds and crystals. If there's anything I didn't mention, I know I wasn't as thorough for this Get Ready With Me. Sorry, I was just a mess, especially during the weekday. I've been so busy. But if there's anything you want to ask me, just leave a comment below and give me a thumbs up. How about please bring me to my doctor's appointment? Anyway, let's go.